Namaste. Hello all. Myself, Dr. Shilpa Kshirsagar, gynecologist and lactation consultant at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, Chinchwad. The World Breastfeeding Week is celebrated every year from 1st August to 7th August. So wishing you all happy breastfeeding week. This year's theme is enabling breastfeeding, making difference for working parents. That means this year we want to specifically help the mothers, the fathers, the parents who are working. So here are the important tips how you can continue your breastfeeding even after resuming your work. So let's see the tips. So we are dealing with 3 tips: A, B and C. A means aim, B is breast milk production and C is continuation of breast milk production. So what do I mean by A? A is aiming for continuation of breastfeeding even after resuming work. This should be done as soon as you come to know that I am pregnant. This determination will positively affect your breast milk production and hence you must aim to continue your breastfeeding even after joining your duties back. Now coming to breast milk production. Unless and until you have adequate breast milk production, how can you continue the breastfeeding even after joining the duty? So let's see the tips how you can produce adequate milk. So to have the adequate milk production, first and foremost step is early initiation. That means starting breastfeeding within 1 hour of delivery. Let it be vaginal delivery or let it be cesarean section. The second step is breastfeeding your baby on demand. So as and whenever baby requires breastfeeding, please do that rather than scheduling your breastfeeding. And the third most important thing is if you have any kind of difficulties, please do consult a lactation consultant so that those difficulties can be managed at that level only. Now coming to the third important part, that is continuation of breastfeeding after resuming the work. So before going to that, I want to tell you few things. For example, I would request all the mothers, unless and until the medical condition requires, try to avail the maximum maternity leave after delivery so that you can spend maximum time with your baby and achieve the target of giving exclusive breastfeeding for first 6 months. The second thing, you request your employer to give 6 months of maternity leave. And if that is not possible, the maximum duration of maternity leave should be availed. After that, if you want to continue your work, please ask for the option of either work from home or working part-time. If that is also not available, then you can ask for creche facilities. If the creche facilities are available, well and good. If the creche facilities are not available, you can ask for breaks in between your work, and if even that is also not available, I will tell you how can you continue your breastfeeding. So if you want to join the office offline, that means actually you want to go to office, what you can do? To continue your breastfeeding, you need to pump your breast milk. So when to start this pumping? So once you decide your date of joining your job, please start pumping your breast milk 15 to 20 days prior to that. This can be done manually, that is with the hand. Even manual pumps are also available, or it can be done with the battery operated or electric breast pump also. So whatever milk you express, kindly store this milk in specially prepared plastic bags which are BPA free and which are available online also, and store this milk into the freezer compartment. I am repeating, into the freezer compartment, where you have to take care the power supply is not getting cut off frequently and neither the freezer compartment is opened very frequently. So you can store this milk in the freezer compartment and build the storage for your baby. Now the second step is finding out a caregiver for your baby. So this caregiver can give the stored milk to your baby whenever you are not there at home. So now as you resume your duties, what you have to do, first check at your office place whether the breast pumps are available and whether such freezer compartment or at least the refrigerator is available or not. It is okay even if there is no breast pump, but yes, the fridge is definitely required. So when to pump your breast when you are at work? So you would do pumping at the times when you would have feed your baby if you would have at home. So whenever the scheduled timing for the baby is there, you have to pump at your office place and keep that milk in the fridge, and whenever you come home you can bring that milk to home. This will help you to continue your breast milk supply. So as you start your work, please spare some time for you and your baby, so that just before leaving home you can feed your baby. The meantime, when you are not at home, the caregiver will give the milk which has been stored in the freezer compartment. For giving that milk, first she has to thaw the milk. What I mean by thaw is just keeping that frozen milk outside so that it comes to normal room temperature. If there is a hurry, what she can do is just keep that milk in a vessel which contains hot water. It is not advisable to directly heat the mother's milk. So whenever you are not at home, this way caregiver can give your milk to your baby. But at the same time, please continue pumping at your office place so that your breast milk production will continue at the same rate. After coming home, as soon as you freshen up, please first feed your baby. And one more very important thing is night breastfeeding is must, or night pumping is must, because that is the time when you have the maximum milk production. So this will help you to have a good storage of breast milk, and you can definitely achieve target of exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months. After 6 months, along with other nutritious food, please continue breastfeeding till the baby becomes 2-year-old. That is the minimum. But of course, the mother and the baby duo can decide when to stop the breastfeeding. Till your baby wants, you can definitely continue breastfeeding irrespective of the age of the baby. Thank you so much.